I wanted to make a video of the smoke detector, so I'm reenacting it for a video. Which, whatever. But this is the smoker, and this is an air pump that I got for $8 at Excess Warehouse. But what you do is you power up the coil like a vape pen. So add power, and then you add compressor, right? You can see the smoke coming out, right? But you just need to hook it to a vacuum line. But this is hooked to my four-wheel drive. The hub motor kept making grinding noises on the highway, so I thought maybe I should double check the vacuum system with this. Then you just look for smoke. Like, the line was broken, and I put the vacuum tube on it, but it was broken right at basically where the control arm is. I think maybe it was from the wreck, but it was a clean break. So I just put vacuum tube on one side of the hard line, and then I just connected them. And then you just test for a leak again, make sure everything's good, and then go for a test drive to make sure your hub stays. But here's the internal part of the, so you can see what it looks like. But I keep pushing stop on my phone. Like, stop, go, stop, go. I'll probably have to put this on YouTube so I can edit the video. I'll probably start using the vegetable glycerin. You know what they use in vape pens instead of baby oil, but baby oil works good too. But I wrapped this to 2 ohms, and I put bolts through the side, and then put silicone in there. And this is just a toilet bowl knockout flange, and then an extension flange for like 4-inch. And then I just tapped some holes in there, like drilled some holes, and then put different fittings in that I thought I'd use. This doesn't really hold up that well, but that's the gist of it. You can hook up an air supply to it. That works good. And just reduce the PSI to like 5.